We're here in Nashua today at the former Elm Street Middle School, which is on Elm Street, doing the second annual law enforcement drone competition in the state of New Hampshire.
I saw that New Hampshire wasn't hosting any sort of drone competition or drone training or drone event with multiple agencies, and drones were significantly changing the face of law enforcement.
Drone operations help public safety from a variety of reasons. One, it's a force multiplier. It gives us an eye from the sky that humans don't have the ability to do. For instance, for a search and rescue mission, back in the day before drones, we'd have to send a bunch of guys out in the woods on foot or on bicycles, ATVs. Now we can send a drone up into the sky with thermal imaging, zoom imaging, and we can fly in a grid pattern, and it's so much more efficient for finding lost people, finding people in distress, etc.
So for us, drones typically are used in a search and rescue format. Being a town of only 1,300 people in rural New Hampshire, we are much more apt to search for a lost child, maybe someone with autism, or a lost hunter, or possibly lost hikers or ATVers. Law enforcement in general, I see in a couple of years, they're going to be commonplace in police cars where patrolmen will just be able to launch a drone right from the back of their police car.
With any drone operations, broadband through AT&T FirstNet is paramount with getting the drones up in the sky, staying connected to them so the pilots can see what they need to see through the drone and stream that footage back to a command post or another third party so they can monitor what's going on the ground.